On a vibrant tropical island, there lived a clever lizard named Glimmer. Known for his inventive mind, Glimmer was always coming up with creative solutions to help his island friends. One day, the island faced a problem. The bridge to the mainland had broken. Glimmer, with his innovative spirit, began devising a plan to rebuild it using materials from the island. Gathering his friends, they worked together under Glimmer's guidance. He showed them how to use vines and bamboo, turning natural resources into a sturdy new bridge. Their teamwork paid off, and the bridge stood strong. The islanders celebrated Glimmer's ingenuity, grateful for his innovative approach that brought them together.